welcome back to the world of VMA. So today I'm going to be going fidget shopping. Well, it's not going to be real fidget shopping, obviously. It's just all my fidgets that the Everything channel is looking after. And yeah, now let's start the video. I'm running so low on fidgets. Let's go to the fidget shop down the road.
Hello there.
Hello.
I'm shopkeeper of the Fidget Shop.
You're the famous Everything channel.
Yes, I am the Everything channel. And do remember to like and subscribe and turn notification bell on the Everything channel. And do the same on your Word of the Is that you?
Yes.
The famous Word of the Oh, we've met each other. Yep,
You have a fidget shop.
Yep, here we are. So, what would you like?
Can I buy some stuff, please?
Okay, we've got them all in set order. Squishy, stress balls, mash'ems and mochis and unusual sort of stuff.
I would actually like, sorry.
So,
I would actually, oh my god.
what would we like to buy then?
I'd like to buy a lot of things. Like I would like to buy the spiky ball.
Spiky ball.
How much? And as well, I'm buying more things. I'm not done.
Firstly, is this a counter? Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
That will be.
That's so funny what I you.
Let's measure ahead and be over it. £1.50 spiky balls.
Okay, let's see if the spiky ball's in. Oh, they're really just some figures.
There should be some. Oh, there we are.
It's just some figures.
No, the spiky ball's in there. There you are. Right, so.
Wait, let me show the camera the spiky ball in there. Camera.
There you
Yeah, boy.
are. So, what else would you want? Do you want?
I would like to buy this X-Spot ball and this dino.
Right, so they're the stressful section. So the dino's £1.50 and that splat ball thing is, let me just see, £2, but because you're the ones in I'm going to give you it for £1.
Thank you, sir.
We can also give you a bag full of smashes.
For how much?
Let me see first. How much would you like in the
I would
bag?
like all of those mushrooms, please.
Sorry, we can't really get that at the moment.
Just not that.
We can get 5 in the bag. 5 in the bag.
Okay, and can I pick out the ones?
Sure.
I would like this Pedro Pony mushroom. This Bammy mushroom thing, whatever this is. This tiny little mushroom.
Okie dokie.
This, wait, no, not that one, not that one. This other mushroom.
Incredible, is it?
And these two mushrooms.
So that's 6, that'll be fine. We can just about fit that in. So, 6, let me see, is £7.50.
Deal, there you go.
As you're wondering, mate, £7, take 50p off.
Thank you very much.
Right, so you need to put that in there.
Okay, let me just show the camera the fidgets which I'm buying. And as well, when I get back, I'll be doing a haul. Whoa, look at everything that I bought. I'm buying this too. Now, let me see. Can I buy some more things, please? Okay. Can I buy this thing? But since it has a light in, I'm not sure if I want it. It depends how much money it is. How much money is this?
Let me see. Oh, it's really good, isn't it? Right, that is £2.
Sure, I expected it to be £5, sure.
Right.
Now, wait, can I have this mushroom?
Yeah, that is actually really legendary, so it'll cost you quite a lot.
How much?
It's £3.
Oh my god, that's so cheap, yes. That is literally how much normal mushroom.
Oh, well.
Chill.
Do you want this bag of squishables?
Yes.
That is actually really expensive, though, so
How much?
£12.
Since I'm kind of rich, sure, and I'll be paying at the end, okay?
Right, so
Now, as well, can I take this big bag with me, the big egg, surprise eggs thing? Can I?
50p.
Oh, no, take it off there. I'll give you the money at the end. Can I have 2 mochis?
Actually, I'll let you have a bag for free.
Right, the mochi, the 50p each.
No, not here, sorry. These are super legendary, so they're £1 each.
Are they actually legendary?
Yeah, super.
Sure then.
Can I get this jumbo mochi?
I don't really want to buy that jumbo mochi. But wait. Don't you get that Jumbo Mochi for free if you buy that doll?
This doll, yeah, sure you do.
How much is the doll?
Show the camera. The doll is £13.
13. If you get that for free, then sure, I'll buy it.
Sorry, no, £14.50.
That's still okay.
Good, good. It used to be 15, but you see, you're well with your mate. I'm gonna give you loads off.
Okay, sorry, camera. Just wait these in. Oh. Gosh. I think this is kind of getting a little bit too full, but the final thing which I want to buy is that bag of stuff.
We can
fill
fill it with 3 homemade squishes and 4 different.
Wait, this is all I want, thank you.
Just
and do you have a stretchy poo and a stretchy chili?
Oh, sure we do. Sorry, I did not open this lot. Sorry, YouTube. So you want to buy a stretchy poo, right? Oh,
And stretchy chili.
these 2 are £1 for both of them.
Sure. That is definitely deal. And can I buy this with just the homemade squishies and that's
You
it?
don't stuff. Wait, we can do the homemade one. 3 matches and 3 squishies.
That's sure. How much?
Let me put it in. Which ones would you want? Surprise ones?
Yes, please. Just choose some surprise ones, but make sure they're good. Okay, now...
Because you're relevant, I'm going to add you one more squishy.
Okay, thank you.
That will be £8, please. And you get the bag of it.
Okay, here you go. Can you just close it all up? Now, that is everything which I would want to buy. Now...
Okay, so
Now I'm going to be doing a haul with everything that I got from the shop.
Have you paid yet?
Yeah, how much is it?
Okay, so I don't really want to add it up. I'm just going to round it up for about £36.
That's actually less, deal.
Put it.
Oh,
I'm going to put that quickly in my savings.
This is so heavy. Now I'm going to be going home and doing a haul with all this stuff which I just got. Now, what was this shop called again?
This shop is called The Haul, because you do hauls with stuff. It's called Haul and Shop.
Okay.
No, sorry, Shop and Haul. Yeah.
Okay, Shop and Haul. Okay. A big thank you to Shop and Haul for doing £10 less.
Yep, and also, because you're well of your mate and have had loads off already, I'm going to give you this teddy for free.
Thank you very, very much. Now, I'm going to be going home and I'm doing a haul with everything that I got. Oh no, my teddy! I've just got home now, guys, and now I'm going to be doing a haul. I can sit down. Now, doing a haul. So, firstly, I got this teddy for free. It's this cute Halloween teddy. It's super pretty and it has these nice wings and it's purple. Nextly is this bag, and I honestly don't know what's in there. Because he does some surprise thing in here. Whoa, there's loads. Firstly is this Paw Patrol mushroom. What is this one's name in this? Can you please comment down below what this one's name is?
Digger.
No, it's definitely not Tigger. I honestly don't know what this one's name is.
It is Digger, I think.
No, it's not. No, wait. Isn't it Rubble?
Rubble, yeah, Rubble.
Yeah, so here's Rubble. I'm sorry I said comment down below the name, but I just forgot it just at that one moment. Then I got this squishy. It's very nice and soft. Then this jumbo squishy. It's this unicorn. Then I got this tiny little squishy. It's just so cute. Then I got this other mushroom. I proper forgot on your name.
proper.
Not like Rubble. I've actually probably forgotten your name. So please comment down below what that one's name is. Then I would definitely remember this one.
Sky.
Yeah, this one's Sky. And then there's one more extra, which is, I think this one an extra.
That wasn't the extra. The extra was this guy.
Oh, so this one was the extra. Then I got this. It's so cute and tiny. Finally, I've just painted all of these now. Well, a bit ago I painted all of these and then I gave them to the shop and then I bought them back again, but yeah, so firstly there's this unicorn. These are DIY squishies. This unicorn. Then this Pikachu bear thing. Then my absolute favourite, my soft and very, very, very slow rising donut. Now time for the next thing. Oh. So wait, where's your pet at? Oh, so I have this doll and her pet. I got this pet for free.
It's a jumbo mochi.
Yeah. They're very cute. They're definitely scented. Gosh. Oh, and then I got a little Squeezemore pack, which I'll be reviewing on my own. Because, yeah, I just wanted to review these on my own. Then I got two small mochis, this snail, and this adorable spiky hedgehog. Nextly is this bag. Oh my god, I can't even open it. We'll be leaving that.
The Everything Channel to the rescue. We'll be pause the video. The black video will be blank for a few seconds while we open it. There we are. Here we are. So, it came with all of this.
Came with loads of mashins. So I'll be reviewing all the mashins which came with it.
So it was like 6 mashins or 8.
So there's this.
Have we got any more? Oh yeah, we've got a few more stuff. So
we've got this alien mashin. This. What's this one? Bambi mashin. This weird Peppa Pig thing. And this
Incredibles
mashin. Oh my god, this is so heavy. What? Wait. Oh, and so there's one more thing.
And this is Catwoman.
Oh, and there's one more thing.
This is Catwoman.
And there's one more thing. Spider-Man.
So we got Catwoman, Weird, Peppa Pig, Alien Guy, Bambi, and I don't know. Right, so
Spider-Man. Now there's this egg splat ball.
And Incredibles.
I'm sorry if the camera when I was going to the shop wasn't really very good. I'm really sorry if it wasn't. And yeah, and just by the way, that shop wasn't real. This is just for a video. These are actually all my fidgets anyways. Just to let you guys know, just in case you literally thought I was going to a real shop. Okay, so there's egg splat ball. It's very good because it has like this egg yolk in it. And yeah, there's way more stuff in here. These are all fidgets now, except for the two things which I'll be showing now. These aren't fidgets.
And the shop gave you them for free.
Really?
Yep. The shop gave you loads of them, 2 for free, and some for free, and another for free.
I know, it's just because I'm famous for all the female.
I'm famous. The Everything Channel.
Okay, so there's these two cute figures. Finally, all of the fidgets. Firstly is this Orby stress ball. It's got a massive big stupid light thing that doesn't even work in it.
Try and splat it, let's see quick.
What?
Splat it on the floor, let's see quick. If it lights up, yeah.
Right. It's very good, kind of. And yeah, now way more fidgets. So this is kind of a fidget. I don't think
It's a mash'em.
Yeah, it isn't really a fidget, but it's a mash'em. It's all like squishy and nice. And I never knew that Ryan's World done mash'ems, so this is quite cool. Nextly is this bubble dinosaur. Bubble tongue dinosaur. Yes. Nom nom nom. Okay, now is there's 3 more things, and I left all these 3 till the end because these are my absolute favourites. So there's this spiky ball. It lights up and it's like spiky and it bounces.
For sure.
Okay, so this is very cool. There's 2 more things left, which are probably my 2 favourites. I've got Stretchy Ginny.
Serena.
And Stretchy Poop. Now, bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!
And also, guys, wait, before we go, please subscribe to World of VMA. That's me.
And the Everything channel.
That's me. Please like and subscribe on my channel and on World of VMAs. Turn notifications and subscribe. Like the video.
Bye!